I woke up to a terrifying discovery. Rainwater was pouring into my apartment, and this was on the 3rd floor. I cautiously approached to investigate. The moment I neared the window, I realized the gravity of the situation. The outside world had completely changed. A single asteroid impact had triggered a catastrophic magnetic pole reversal. Overnight, the entire landmass had become an ocean. The high-rise building before me was the only refuge. Suddenly, the community loudspeaker blared, warning all residents to evacuate to higher floors immediately. I turned to pack my belongings, grabbing only the essentials. My phone rang abruptly, a strange call. The caller said they had arrived at the complex and were ready to take me away. Without hesitation, I grabbed my son and left the room. The scene outside the door was even more terrifying. Residents were in complete chaos. Everyone was scrambling for their lives, with the only path to survival being upward, but the stairwell was severely congested, making further ascent impossible. I had no choice but to turn back and search for another exit. Soon, I found another stairwell. My son was terrified. To calm him, I began singing. But trouble struck. This staircase was blocked by debris. I told my child to stay put while I climbed up to assess the situation. I finally made it to the 4th floor with him. I saw someone on the opposite floor calling my name. It was Sun Shizhao, the man who had called me earlier. But when I turned around, I was horrified to find my son gone. I immediately rushed into the adjacent room to search. Just then, an even more terrifying scene unfolded.
For more free videos, just go to Film Review Online website.
Click the link below.